Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of a where 2 to the power a whole square is equal to 100. Here we can use logarithm formula. Okay, or we know that an exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 2 to the power 2a is equal to 100, or now taking log on both sides we can write here log of 2 to the power 2a is equal to log of 100, or now here we can logarithm formula, these exponents move here, so we can write here 2a times log of 2 is equal to log of 100, or now divided both sides by log of 2 we can write here 2a times log of 2 all over log of 2 is equal to log of 100 over log of 2. Now here this log of 2 cancel out this log of 2, so we will get 2a, or 2a is equal to log of 100 over log of 2, or 2a is equal to, now log of 100 can be written as 4 times 25, because 4 times 25 is 100 all over log of 2, or 2a is equal to log of, now 4 can be written as 2 square times 25 can be written as 5 square all over log of 2, or twice a is equal to, now here we can use logarithm formula, log of ab is equal to log of a plus log of b. Now apply this formula. Here we can write log of 2 square plus log of 5 square over log of 2, or twice a is equal to, now we can write here this 2 move here, so we can write here 2 log of 2 plus, similarly this 2 move here, so we can write here 2 times log of 5 all over log of 2, or twice a is equal to 2 times log of 2 over log of 2 plus 2 times log of 5 over log of 2, or twice a is equal to, now this log of 2 cancel out this log of 2, so here we will get 2 plus 2 times, now here we can use another logarithm formula, log of a over log of b is equal to log of b log of a base b. Now apply this formula. Here we will get 2 times log of 5 base 2. Okay, or twice is equal to, now taking count 2, here we will get 1 plus log of 5 base 2. Now divided both sides by 2, we can write here twice a over 2 is equal to 2 times 1 plus log of 5 base 2 over 2. Now this 2 cancel out this 2 and this 2 cancel out this 2. So finally we will get the value of a is equal to 1 plus log of 5 base 2. Now set questions have given twice 2 to the power a whole square is equal to 100. Or 2 to the power a is equal to 1 plus log of 5 base 2 whole square is it equal to 100. Now we can write here 2 to the power 1 times 2 to the power log of 5 base 2 whole square is it equal to 100. 2 to the 1 that means 2 times here we will get 5 because 2 to the power log base 2 is equal to 1, so here we will get 5 whole square it is equal to 100. 2 times 5 is 10 square it is equal to 100. Now we know that 10 square that means 100, so we can write here 100 is equal to 100, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our final answer is 1 plus log 5 base 2 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.